Guys, it's the biggest fish in the lake.
Let's rock.
Guys, welcome back. We are here in England fishing with my brother, my dad, and two other friends of my dad here at Combe Bank Fishing. We're here at the smaller lake. This is the smaller lake, and today we're going for a species hunt. So there's a lot of species here. There's carp, bream, tench, rudd, roach, perch, pike, everything is in here. But today, whoever catches the most species wins the day. Tomorrow we'll be going to the bigger carp lake, and there we're going for the big carp. It's maybe 20 pounders or even bigger. That would be cool. Then the biggest carp wins. But for today, species hunt is on. Here we go, guys. Some nice maggots. Look at that. Look at those. That is for float and waggle tip. Catch loads of rudd and roach in that. So the carp rods are in, and me floats in, and me waggle tips in. So hoping to catch loads of species now. Right guys, first catch of the day, little rudd. That's species number 1 for me. It's 1-0. Fish on. There you go. Oh, it's a bream, it's a big one. Big bream. Oh, he's in. Look at that.
Nice.
Big bream.
Guys, beautiful bream. First fish, first big fish. Hope more.
Guys, species number 2. Nice perch.
So, Malk's on. Malk's on.
Eleven to 7. Yeah. Right guys, we're going to pack up now. Today wasn't very successful, but hoping tomorrow will be much better with the big carp. Fish on. Big one, Lucas? Is it a bream? Just a dead weight, you see. Wow. Wow, it's another carp. It's a common carp. He's in.
You in? Yes.
Well done, Lucas.
Yes. Was that on?
Woohoo!
Here it is behind you. £7.7. £77.
7-7. Well done.
Nice, Lucas.
Nice. Finally caught a carp. Let's try hope another one. We've got another 2 hours left. Let's catch one more carp.
Fish on again. Carp. It's pulling a rod in. Oh,
Nice.
oh,
Nice.
nice, come on, carp. How's your shoulder, mate?
Quite tired. $7.19.
No, 7.16.
7.16. I'm checking kilos.
3.2 kilos.
Well done, Lucas.
Well done, Lucas.
You said you wanted another carp. Here you got it.
Let's get that back out. We still got another 45 minutes.
Woo. Small rod. That's a great carp. Let's go.
Just slowly, slowly. Don't bully it because you've got very little line there and you've got like £2 line on there.
Oh, he's big. He's in.
Yes.
Oh, that was sweaty, man. Biggest fish in the lake, guys. Caught on feeder. Is he heavy?
Not bad, huh? That is the biggest fish in the
Biggest fish in the lake. Whoa!
That's big mama.
Guys, biggest fish in the lake. Can't get bigger.
$18.19.
Yes! Woo! Got a wet shoe. That is the biggest carp in the lake, guys. Can't believe we caught that. On this tiny end, this is a waggle tip, and this line, it can hold like maybe 3 pounds, and that fish was 18 pounds. Okay guys, 18 pounds, which is 8 kilos. And I just caught it here on this feeder. It's the feeder. We put some ground bait in there. Then we have this hook here attached on there. Is this pellet here. Just one of those and some corn. That is the perfect combo to catch carp. Right guys, we are packing up now. It's 6 and we have to get home to Switzerland, 12-hour drive, but it was fun here in England, really cool. First, sea bass, check the video out, link is down in the description, check that out. Sea bass fishing, we caught some 2 big monsters, check that out. And today has been an excellent day, and yesterday we caught, Malcolm caught a nice carp, Lucas caught a bream, I caught some run roach, and today our 3 beautiful carp and my really big one. That was beautiful. Right guys, we are off now. I won both the bets, so most species in first day and the biggest carp the second day. But it was absolutely fun, and Lucas caught 2 big carp and he had really fun. He doesn't care that he lost. I hope you liked this video. Leave a like if you did, and subscribe if you want to see more.